My bullet code number 10. First of all, thank you, sir, giving me opportunity to play this debate. And today's, I am clear that I am against this policy, and I am very disappointed. And I am disagree with this policy because, sir, most of disadvantages of this policy. And acknowledge the debate state clear in opposition argue in the equality of the student and critically express their concerns. The suggesting most of might not full and not interested in all of students in this policy, sir, because most of disadvantage of this policy. Implementations and quality issues, implementation challenges and inducted infrastructures, and implementations and challenges and language barrier, and infrastructure and teacher training, cost of implementations and commercializations, centralization fears and commercialization and privatizations, language challenges barrier, and in higher education. This is the most of disadvantage of this new education policy 2020. All students are not interested in this policy, sir, because of most of disadvantages. And language challenges is a concerness, language policy challenges and the language concerness, and high stake of the testing concerness, digital dividing and multiple entry in exist point, and holistic and controversial, sir, mother and multilizations and digital divided and exhibiting the digital dividing. This is the most of disadvantage of this new education policy. And preparedness of teachers, teacher training, and teacher shortage and teacher training, and risk of the privatization and commercialization. And this is the most of disadvantages of this new education policy. And I don't want to implementation of new education policy in 2020. Or should not interested in this policy, sir, because of most of disadvantages of this policy, sir. Disadvantages, implementation challenges, and the scale of the reform of the West and concerns and the exist regarding the commercializations and new education policy. The exclusive the potentials of this new education policy, and then implementation challenges and inducted infrastructure. The critically argue the curriculum in the infrastructure, and then the most of disadvantage of this policy. And implementation challenges and language barrier. Focus on the implementation of practical concerns, practical difficulties in infrastructures and teacher training, and a controversial of the in a language policy. Infrastructure and teacher training effectively implementation the significant investment in infrastructures and teacher training, a comprehensive of achieve, and then the which critically doubt, so government will provide the effectively and exist the teachers of shortage of teachers and a lack of resource, and could the undermine the policy goals. And cost of implementations, a high quality multidisciplinary and educational require the massive funding, and if cost are the passed to the student, so affordability the become a concern. And commercialization, some critically original the increase the higher autonomy of education and institute could lead to the potentially exclude the economically weaker students. And this is the most of disadvantage of this policy. And I don't want to new education policy implementation 2020, and all students are not interested in this policy, and I am very disappointed, sir, and I am disagree with this policy. And centralization fears approach the exist, and about the policy, the increase the fees and the quality education and students are not interested in this policy, and centralization, commercialization and privatizations. And शेवटी जाताना इतकंच म्हणेल, आई वुड लाइक टू से इन हिंदी शायरी, क्या पढ़ना और पढ़ाना काम नहीं है बच्चों का, पढ़ना और पढ़ाना काम नहीं है बच्चों का, क्योंकि तेल निकल जाता है अच्छों अच्छों का। धन्यवाद।